Hey, how you doing guys? It's Ilabella here. I do coding stuff on YouTube. Check the description for all my information. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a big thumbs up to support it. And this is called Construct Binary Tree from Inorder and Postorder Traversal. Given an order and post-order traversal of a tree, construct it a binary tree. Note: you may assume that duplicates do not exist in the tree. For example, given these two arrays right here, in order and post order. In order means that first we visit the node to your left, then its parent, again the root to your left, its parent, and the root to your right. In post order we visit the children 9, 15, 7, and then we visit its parent, which is 20, and then 3. Return the following binary tree. Well, we can solve this problem using stack data structure. Stack means that we can push the element onto the top of the stack, and then we can pop the element from the top of the stack as well. That's how that works. Yeah, so we will be, we'll set up 2 pointers. Each pointer is at the end of each array in order and post order, and then at each iteration we'll be pushing the nodes. We'll be constructing the nodes based on these values into this post order array, and at each iteration we'll be checking whether the node which is onto the top of the stack and the node's value is equal to the value at this Inorder pointer into Inorder, and in this case we will need to decrement the Inorder pointer by 1 and also set up the previous node to the node's value, which is onto the top of the stack, but before we need to pop that node from the top of the stack. That's it. And in the case when the previous node is equal to null, we go to your right. Otherwise we go to your left. That's it. Well, let's start. And yes, we will be doing this until the post order pointer is null, right? Well, first we need to check in the case when Inorder is null or Inorder.length is 0 or the post order is null or post order.length is 0, we return null. There is nothing to do with that. Otherwise, as I said before, we create 2 pointers. IP means the Inorder pointer, which is initially at the end of this Inorder array dot length -1, and PP means the post order pointer, which is at the end of this post order array, length -1. We need to create a dummy node, tree node, which is previous is null, and then we create the root based on the value which is at the end into this at the end of this post order array. We say tree node post order at the position of pp, and after constructing this root we decrement the post order pointer by 1. And while we create a while loop, while the post order pointer is greater than or equal to 0, we create another while loop and we check we need to create a stack, of course, as well, like tree node stack is equal to new stack tree node. Right here we push the root onto the top of the stack, and while this stack is not empty, and also the value into that at the position of the Inorder pointer into this Inorder array is equal to stack dot peak dot value, the value of the node which is onto the top of the stack, right? We set up the previous to stack dot pop. We pop the element from the top of the stack, and then we set up this node to this previous and decrement this Inorder pointer by 1. We create the current node, new tree node, which is at the position of post order pp, right? And while, or just not while, if in the case when this previous is not equal to null, that means that we go to your left. We say previous dot left is equal to the current node, right? Suppose we are here, and then we go to your left, like, right? And otherwise we get the node which is onto the top of the stack. Say top is equal to the stack dot peak. Peak means that we only do a lookup. We don't remove the node, and we say top dot right current. Finally, we need to decrement pp pointer by 1, set up the previous to null and push the element, this current node, onto the top of the stack. And finally we return the root, right? We can say instead of the root right here, yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's right. We already constructed this root. That's it. Let's run this code. That's gonna work. Yes, accepted. Let's submit. There we go. Success. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below. I want to know what you think. Follow me on social medias. I do all LeetCode problems. As I said, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a big thumbs up to support it. And follow me on social medias. On Instagram and on the Snapchat. Thank you. Bye.